Hey guys, welcome inside today's video. So today we are going to review the iClever headphones, ages 3+. But we will be reviewing it inside today's video. Plus the features that it got is really nice. It's comfortable, it has a microphone, and it's foldable. It reminds me of one of my headphones I used to have, which was foldable. In fact, I do have foldable headphones, I just realized. And it does say the things of it if it has spiral sound, but we will find out in today's video. So let's get unboxing. Okay. So I've never had, I think I've had an iClever before. iClever headphones, but I haven't had iClever headphones in a while. So we're about to review them. Having some troubles opening up. The new smell. Ta-da! And the packaging itself is really good. So we have like lots to go through. So if you guys can see, we have the pink foldable back. I'm pretty sure this is where the headphones are at. Okay, these are the headphones themselves, but we are going to get in that a little bit. And we have the charging things and more stuff. So we're gonna put that on the side and we are going to get into this. So I'm going to test it out, and this is gonna be kind of hard to get out of this case. Let's see. I'm gonna be here for a long time trying to do this. Get out. Get out. Ah. There we go. That's it. I do like when it comes with a little biggy bag where you can put your headphones in case you never lose them. Oh yeah, I did have headphones like these. Oh, never mind, I didn't. Yeah, so these are not really pink. Well, these are like a pinkish purple, basically, with little cat ears. Hi. Gamers be like, hi. I don't know. But it does have little ears on it. It has fairy. Okay, okay. That's nice, I guess. And they do fold like this. I had headphones that did these before. How it'd fold. Ah, nice. Plus you get, these are like the stuff. Here's how you turn it on. I'm sure this is how you turn it on. Oh yeah, it's the power on. So it has like a play thing. This kind of looks cool. It's like a music player. So it like turns on. This is like where your charger from. Your headphone jack. I'm assuming that's a little microphone on it. I'm sure it is. If you guys want an up close view, this is what it looks like basically. And yeah. So let's put them on the side. So these are the accessories for it. Come on. I hate these packagings. Okay. So here's what we got. We've got like, oh yeah, I like this. Hi, this is the review. I kind of really want to do like a little testing. Oh yeah, it doesn't work with any of my devices because I don't have that on my phone, sadly. But yeah, so what basically does is that there's one adapter that plugs right into there, and then you plug this into your headphones, your phone, computer, tablet, or whatever, and you can talk right into it without any problems. I might actually keep this for accessories and purpose for my laptop. Yeah. What else we got is we got the Type-C going on in the house. Yay, Type-C. I'm not too sure if this is Type-C. Yeah, this Type-C. Every headphone should be using Type-C. Yeah. So these are basically stuck. Yeah. When you charge your headphones for the first time, we got instructions. would people really care about reading instructors anymore? I'm not too sure. So these are basically the wireless headphones. If you're asking me, they're not too wireless. Not like I can pay $30 to get these accessories anyways. But they do come with these headphones, which is good. Yeah. So these are all mine. In fact, I'm really thinking about keeping these headphones for other reasons, because I really like it, and yeah. First of all, I'm gonna try this out, and I'm gonna grab my computer. So I am back with my laptop, and it does work with Bluetooth, and my computer does have a headphone jack, which does work with it. So I'm going to try to pair it into these. So I'm just gonna turn it on like that. Wow, that's actually really cool. Yeah, it actually lights up with these. So oh, they're backwards. So I'm gonna try pairing it to my laptop right here by using Bluetooth. So let's see. I'm just gonna see. I'm assuming this is it. All right, clever. I'm just confused on which one's it. Okay, it says connected, so we should be fine. Okay, it's not a tight fit for my ears, but I still think it looks cool. It kind of reminds me of the furry community. Is anybody even in the furry community anyways? I think that's a dead trend now. Okay, I'm just trying to load up one of my YouTube. It doesn't really have a good sound to them, but they are really good. As you guys can see, they light up while the song is playing. As you guys can see, it lights up like that. We got Taylor Swift in the house right now. So yeah, these are the reviews of these foldable iClever. I'm thinking about keeping one of the accessories in the future, but if you guys really want to purchase these headphones, and they do come with separate colors like blue and other ones, but I'm not too sure because I just got the purple ones, as you guys can see. So I hope you guys like this review of these headphones, and hope you guys like this video. Subscribe down below, and yeah, bye everyone.